current hex cost especially is $0.032, hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in an every way that really matters, significant way. Hex cost investigation all things considered is negative today, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. First help level for hex especially is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner. 01 November 2023, in this video we will walk you through hex cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what most certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for hex, basically is hex an essentially wise speculation, or so they especially thought. Hex help and opposition levels and so on, which all things considered, is very huge. However, prior to plunging essentially profound into the hex specialized examination, in a real sense let us for the most part discuss the by and large current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,274,991,402,849, or so they in a real sense thought. The essentially all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $38,247,734,149 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is very critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, so the for the most part complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $38,247,734,149, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time span, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, generally is up by 4.76 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which especially is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for momentary in a sort of huge manner. As of now, a fundamentally broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly shows that market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,274,991,402,849, which generally is very huge. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an essentially large way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become considerably more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how hex cost examination especially is negative today, which certainly is very huge. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers sort of become most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly is very critical. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The especially everyday graph of hex especially shows that the hex cost in every practical sense has in every practical sense descending development with a 1.19% decline in commonly beyond 24 hours. So these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending bearing for commonly present moment, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing that hex help and opposition levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Hex Value Investigation Hex Cost Examination for 01 November 2023 inside a by and large everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath, which sort of shows that hex help and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Which basically is very critical. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the hex in a truly significant manner explicitly. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of huge way. Hex financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline in a genuinely enormous manner without a doubt. Hex most certainly has a sort of the closest obstruction of $0.036, exhibiting that market examination over the last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,274,991,402,849 in an unpretentious manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would truly help the upturn energy, in every practical sense, further appearance how support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become commonly more essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how hex cost examination all things considered is negative today in a truly significant way. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, showing that 01 November 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through hex cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters, got clarification on some things, facts. What most certainly is by and large transient cost expectation for hex truly is hex a kind of wise interest incredibly. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers truly betray the hex, the really bears could handle the market and certainly take hex cost beneath the urgent help level of $0.030, showing that on the other hand, assuming that the financial backers for the most part betray the hex, the most certainly bears could handle the market and generally take hex cost underneath the vital help level of $0.030, which generally is genuinely critical. While Hex's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange truly signal fundamentally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, or so they explicitly thought. The exceptionally relative strength file, RSI, shows that the hex coin for the most part is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI